Magandang araw, Pilipinas! Positibo ang administrasyon ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. na magiging pangunahing destinasyon ng mga negosyante sa Asia ang Pilipinas.
Inilatag ng Malacanang ang mga indikasyon na kaya itong maabot sa administrasyon ng Pangulo. Narito ang report.
Malaki ang posibilidad para maging investment destination ng Pilipinas sa Asia. Iyan ang binigyang diin ng Office of the Special Assistant to the President for Investment and Economic Affairs o OSA-PIEA. Ayon kay Secretary Frederick Go, hindi ito malayong mangyari sa ilalim ng administrasyon ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Lalo't ngayon pa lang, nakikita na niya ang pagbuti ng economic indicators.
We're seeing better macroeconomic numbers now across the board for the country. GDP growth for the second quarter was 6.3%. And I can tell you that our GDP growth this year, is either the best or among the best in the region, the Southeast Asian region. So we're doing very well as far as economic growth is concerned. Our unemployment numbers are down to 3.1%, which is one of the best numbers in the last 2 decades. Our poverty rate is likewise dropping.
Sa kabila nito, kailangan pa rin anyang pagtrabahuhan ang target ng bansa na maging investment hub. Malaking bagay anya ang pagtaas ng credit ratings ng bansa mula sa isang Japanese rating firm para mas makapanghikayat pa ng mga investor.
It will take a lot of work, and I think a lot of transformation of the way we do things to reach that level of being the number one investment destination in Asia. The facts are, I think for the last few decades, we have really been regressing. Our neighbors in Southeast Asia have been cornering the lion's share of global investments, which is actually why I joined government. I'd like to make a difference. I'd like to reverse this trend and try to bring back our place as an investment destination in Asia.
Umaasa naman si Go na maisasabatas na ang Create More Bill at masisimulan na ang Luzon Economic Corridor Project na kapwa malaking tulong sa pagpapalago pa ng ekonomiya ng bansa. Kenneth Pasyente, para sa Pambansang TV, sa Bagong Pilipinas.